With which of the following sentence would the author agree with firmness? It would be easier for us to face any hitch if we gather courage in the path of different routes with full of obstacles and the path is not aided or free of curve or obstacles. So choice A is an incorrect answer with respect to the passage. As the author says that we warriors of light must be prepared to have patience in difficult times and to know the universe is conspiring in our favor. So it is clear that the universe can give us a spur momentum by responding the awakened perseverance and patience as it is given in choice B. So according to the opinion of the author, choice B matches to fit his opinion. As it is given in the passage that personal calling is tougher except as a journey through the whole heart of us, so choice C also incorrect. Our dream does not make us experience any ever gradual mitigation of suffering. Rather, it makes us suffer after each time we stumble so that we can strong by the heat of our realization. So choice D is also unfit to make sense. Again, as the love is not a neutral driving force, rather it is an impact on the psychological balance of human being to go onward and later we need to win it as an inspiration to make it a stimulus. So choice E is also an incorrect answer. So the correct answer is choice B.